In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your Keybank mortgage account online. We'll walk through each step together, ensuring that you can securely and easily log into your account to manage your mortgage details. So, let's get started on this straightforward process. First, you need to open your preferred web browser. I recommend using a secure, updated browser such as Chrome, Edge, or Safari for the best experience. Once your browser is open, head over to the Keybank mortgage login page. You can do this by typing the URL into the address bar, https://www.key.com/personal/mortgage. As the page loads, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll see the sign in option. A small simple click here will take us to the next step. Now that you're on the login page, it's time to enter your credentials. Start by inputting your user ID, which is the one you created when you first registered for your Keybank online account. Next, type in your password below. Double check these details to avoid any login errors. When you're ready, click Sign In to proceed. In case you encounter any issues remembering your user ID or password, there's no need to worry. Simply click on the Forgot ID password link and follow the guided prompts to recover your account information. It's a helpful feature to ensure you're never locked out for long. Once you're logged in, you'll gain full access to your mortgage account. From here, there's quite a bit you can do. You can view your current mortgage balance and review your payment history at a glance. If you're planning to make a payment, you can do so directly through this portal. And if convenience is key for you, I suggest setting up automatic payments to ensure you're always on schedule. Additionally, this is where you can access your tax documents and statements, which is especially helpful for keeping organized records throughout the year. After you've finished managing your account, it's crucial to log out securely, particularly if you're using a shared or public device. To do this, navigate again to the top right corner and click Sign Out. This ensures that your account information remains private and protected from unauthorized access. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips for a smooth login experience every time. Consider enabling two-factor authentication if it's available. It adds an extra layer of security to your account. Also, bookmarking the Keybank mortgage login page can help you avoid phishing sites, keeping your information secure. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to logging into your Keybank mortgage account. Follow these steps each time for a seamless experience in managing your mortgage online. Thanks for joining me today, and see you next time.